So the shark actually picks up quite well. I will say this is the only stuff that came in the box. It's a little creaky and this is super flimsy. I would have overlooked it, but it seems that this is missing a roller piece. And for the other attachment, this piece, there's nowhere for this to actually connect to the hose itself. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, but I have the hose here. As you can see, I'm gonna try to plug this together. This lip doesn't let it connect. So if there's a missing piece, it didn't come with it. Sorry, there's no way for this to exactly go in. It doesn't fit. And that's for both pieces of the attachments. You can see it's just no way for this to go in. I don't know if that's a better picture. You can see right through. Doesn't fit. So I'll be returning.
It's not?
Watch, it's gonna roll back out.
So it won't pick up the bird seeds. It just pushes all the bird seeds in like a big pile.
Yeah, look.
Look, when you lift this up, because look, it just pushed it around in this big pile. And on the rug over here, it just pushes it around in like a big pile. And it don't pick up like dog food. And when we think it's picking it up, nothing's in the like tank here. So yeah.